Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Today is the 11th consecutive day in which the price of XRP is in the green zone. It has been going up and up. Now I do have to remind a lot of my investors out there. I see a lot of questions popping up saying that how high can the price go and is this sustainable and what exactly is causing this price rise. In fact, I talked about it in much detail regarding why the price is going up in my yesterday's video. I'll link that in the description box below if you guys are interested in that. But in today's video we will be talking about one specific aspect of this, and that is how this Ripple lawsuit. Now, although it seems it might have been really bad for Ripple, but it has kind of been a blessing in disguise, and it has added a fuel to the fire of XRP. In fact, because of this lawsuit, the interest in XRP has skyrocketed, and a lot of analysts out there are now saying that, hey, now this might mean something major for XRP to come when we reach the final verdict. And in fact, because of this lawsuit, we might actually see XRP cross its all-time high position much higher than that. So in today's video we will be talking about this and a lot of other interesting details related to this Ripple and XRP and obviously Ripple lawsuit. But before going on to those details, let's take a look at the price of XRP, because I'm pretty sure a lot of investors out there are going to know what exactly is happening, at least in the short term. Price for XRP, it is doing absolutely good, and considering the last 7 days, it is one of the best performing cryptos out there in the crypto world. Well, at the time making this video, XRP is trading at around $1.28, an increase of about 6% compared to yesterday, and an increase of a whopping 61% compared to 1 week ago. It is doing absolutely amazing. Now, if you're talking about today, the low point was at around $1.19 and the high point at around $1.34, almost touching $1.35. So this is definitely really good, and I have talked in my previous video and I said that if the price of XRP is able to sustain about $1.25, then we can expect XRP to reach as high as $1.7. Now that is going to be very tricky, but let's see what the charts say. Now for the daily summary, we have a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, and technical indicators at a strong buy, but the RSI, it has shifted to an overbought position. Now for the weekly chart, the summary, it stands at a strong buy, moving average buy, technical indicators strong buy, and the RSI, it is good, it is at a buy position. And for the monthly chart, the summary, it is at a strong buy, and the RSI, it is also at a buy position. So things are looking very good for XRP, at least in terms of weekly and monthly chart. And if you're talking about at least the short-term price prediction for XRP, and as I mentioned previously, if the price is able to sustain above 1.25, it will go as high as 1.7. But I have to say that there are some other analysts out there which are saying that, hey, the XRP is overbought right now and there might be a price hold for XRP, and we have to see and wait at what price point it is going to hold, because almost every single day, as I mentioned, 11 consecutive days of XRP rising. And from the past, if you're comparing it to the past time, we saw XRP price rise for approximately 4 weeks, between 2 to 4 weeks, then it went down. So we are just in the first 11-12 days. So that's why some people are saying that, hey, if the history is to repeat here, we might see XRP continue to rise. But on the other hand, we have other analysts saying that, hey, the price is going to halt right here. Now, talking about this Ripple lawsuit adding fuel to the fire for the price of XRP. The reason behind this is that because of this Ripple lawsuit, and this Ripple lawsuit is currently the biggest lawsuit in the entire world of crypto, and a lot of people out there, and by that I mean journalists, institutions, and a lot of people are saying that, hey, this is a defining moment for crypto, because it is Ripple, one of the biggest companies in the crypto world, is facing the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. And if Ripple does win this, it would set a very positive precedent for pretty much the entire crypto industry. That is why so many eyes are on this Ripple lawsuit. As we have it here, it seems that the lawsuit has gotten Ripple more media attention. As such, the company successfully converted a PR nightmare into a crucial marketing endeavor. It got the support of many important firms recently. This includes GME Remittance, one of the largest non-bank remittance services providers in South Korea, which joined Ripple's RippleNet. And not only this, we also recently got another really good news for a lot of XRP investors out there, and that is the corridor between Japan and Philippines. It has opened. It's a 1.8 billion per year corridor, and for that, a lot of these banks, SBI is going to be using the ODL platform, the platform that actually uses XRP. That was also one of the catalysts which actually got XRP price starting to rise. So the entire lawsuit, even though it has been pretty much bad, and because of this we could not cross its all-time high position during the massive bull run of May, a couple of months back, but it does seem that for the future it has added this media attention to Ripple, and because of that a lot of media attention is towards XRP, and a lot of new investors out there might be thinking of investing in XRP during this time. Do keep in mind that because of this SEC lawsuit, a lot of investors out there will be shying away from investing, but there will be some out there who will be taking a risk, and if Ripple wins this, and the risk is definitely going to pay off. And I'm pretty sure that is the reason why a lot of you have actually invested in XRP, even though we have this massive lawsuit going on. Having said all of this, and a lot of things are looking very positive for XRP, but there is also another short-term price prediction for XRP that is saying that we might see a sell-off in the next couple of days, and this is based on the overbought position of the relative strength index, one of the most popular indicators out there for buying and selling trading in the world of crypto. So it is saying that RSI, as I mentioned previously, it has crossed above that 70 mark, and it is in that overbought category, and this is why a lot of investors out there, especially for the short term, they are thinking of selling their XRP to maximize their profits. But I think this is a very, in my opinion, personally very interesting time for XRP, because if the price is able to sustain this $1.25 $1.3 that we are seeing right now, it is very likely to cross that. We will cross its 52-week high of about $1.96. But if we see a slight sell-off, I think it is going to trigger a massive avalanche of sell-off, and we might actually, there's also a chance that we might actually drop below that $1 mark. But for those of you who have invested in XRP for the long term, I don't think you need to worry too much about what is happening for the short term, because the long term thing is still dependent, the long term price prediction, it is still dependent on this lawsuit. And so much media attention has been put on this lawsuit that I think we might experience either a massive sell-off if Ripple loses this lawsuit, or a massive gain if Ripple wins this. So it is very interesting on when this is going to happen. Regarding the timeline, I made a video on that, you can check that out on my channel. But basically we are going to be knowing exactly what the verdict is around the end of this year or early 2022. So until then, expect the price of XRP to be kind of very volatile. Well guys, let me know, what do you think is going to happen to the price of XRP? Are we going to witness a massive sell-off and drop below that $1 barrier, or are we going to see a continuous increase and actually cross that psychological barrier of $2 and make it a 52-week high position? So it is, as I mentioned, it is a very interesting time, and I would love to know what are your thoughts. So do drop a comment below. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I would highly appreciate it if you can subscribe, or if you don't want to subscribe, at least give this video a like, so it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.